What's going on, guys? 3G Racing here, coming back at you with another video today. I got some new wheels here behind me. Let's go check them out. So here's the wheels, guys. They are I don't even know how to say that, but we'll just call it Alhan for the sake of the video here. But yeah, they got these little rivets all the way around. They're 18 by 9. 225 40 18. They're off my buddy's Mazda Speed 3. I'm gonna put them on today. They all have fairly new tread on them too, so figured they'd be good to have for the track. They're not perfect. There's a little bit of curb rash, as you can see there, and yeah, a couple of them missing the center caps, but I got them for a really good deal. Figured I'd pick them up, throw them on the car, and we'll see how it looks. Alright guys, so then here's the wheels I've been running for probably about 8 or so months. Tread's getting kind of low. They're just 17 by 8s here. I wanted to upgrade in size, get a different color on there, change up the look a little bit. I think it might go with the purple a little bit better, so we're gonna do that and let's see how it looks. Alright y'all, so I got the front one on here. It does poke out quite a bit more here, as you can see on the side. I feel like it'll be good for the track, but I'm not sure how I like it for everyday driving. I'm gonna put it on the back, but I want to take it for a test drive first here. Make sure it fits okay, and then with the little caps here, couldn't even use them because the little center there, little board. But yeah, got both sides on. I'm gonna go test drive it, see how they roll, and then we'll go with the back. All right, y'all. So the new wheels are on here. Honestly, a huge wheel gap in the back now. I feel like it wasn't this big before. Definitely gonna have to drop it. Just gotta make sure there's nothing rubbing back there. No, it's not touching. We're gonna take it out for a drive then, see how it runs, but make sure there's no rubbing or anything. But yeah, I don't know, it'll look a lot better once it's lowered. I just feel like with the height it's at now, kinda, I don't know yet. I like the way it looks in the front, but once you get to the back, you know, it kind of looks more like a drag car now, honestly. I kind of mess with it. See what it looks like with the purple bumper, getting that on as well, so let's go. Alright y'all, so I got my rear sled out here, the tail lights are out, almost ready to come out. Just gotta take out the license plate frame there, get the bolts on the side, and then we can finally put this purple bumper on and have the car looking right. Also, I got my dad here helping me out today, fix it today as I told y'all in the last video. Go give him a subscribe and like and follow and all that stuff, but yeah, let's get this done. Alright y'all, so to make it a little bit easier to get these bolts in the back, we took out these plastic pieces over here on both sides, and then the back one here. Probably just gonna leave it out for more weight reduction. But yeah, we got the 2 bolts right there. Still trying to see if there's anything back there we gotta take out. Looks like it's just a one little knob. But yeah, then the bumper will be ready to come off and we'll be able to finally put the purple one on. Alright guys, we got the rear bumper off here, as you can see. Finally time to put the purple one on. It was definitely a lot harder than it looks. Got all these things on the side that were kind of hard to get out. A couple bolts on the bottom, these big ones here that were connected up and under right here. Had to take those out. Yeah, it's a lot of work, but we got it out now. Time to get the purple one on. Finally get to see how this car looks, and yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so I'm just going to clean this up a little bit. There's a lot of dirt and debris in here, all up in there. It's extra weight reduction, and just to clean it up, make it look nicer. But yeah, we're going to get that purple bumper on after that. Alright y'all, so I lied. These 4 bolts right up in there, you don't actually got to take them off. Wherever they're, hold on. Right there, you don't got to actually take those off. They don't really serve any purpose in getting the bumper off, so ignore that. And yeah, we're just buttoning everything up on this bumper over here. We got the little push pins backing up there at the bars on both sides. That one's still got to go on, but that one's on. And yeah, then we'll have this bumper on and ready to go. And I don't know if I showed it earlier or not, but you see these holes right here? There's 4 of them total. You just got to take those off to get the bumper off so you can get to them push pins in the side over there. So also we set up the easy up, making a little bit more shade out here. It's kind of hot, but yeah, it's going well. Alright y'all, so it's coming back together here. Got the bolts in there, the license plate holder and all that stuff's buckled up. Got the bolts back in up here. It's all put in with that plastic stuff right there. I have the bolt in up there. Just screw in down there. The fitment is a little bit off. It was an aftermarket bumper. It's not perfect, which I'm unhappy about, but hey, it is what it is. Yeah, we're getting there, almost done. Definitely gonna look a lot better than it does with the silver, regardless. But yeah, here's just an idea for the moment. Alright guys, so here it is. Bumper's on, everything's back together. Honestly looks so much better now with that purple to finally match the rest of the car, but yeah, it looks fantastic. I'll shut this hatch real quick, get the full effect. There she is. Certified ripper right here. Just gotta get some coilovers on it now so it doesn't look like a monster truck, but after that we'll be good to go. And then thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe to both my channel, and then Fix It Today over here as well. It's my dad. And yeah, make sure to tune in the next video. Peace.